Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best Vitamix blender you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Vitamix A5200 Blender Professional Grade. In general, when talking about blenders, most users might think of just smoothies. However, with this application, you can complete a variety of cooking tasks without needing to have specific blending experience. And if making hot soups is a no-no with conventional models such as the Ninja blenders, the friction of the Vitamix A5200's blades shines out from the rest, anticipating all your soup making needs in just under 10 minutes. From smoothies and soup to baby food and spreadable butter, this blender will be a wonderful tool for you to experiment with more healthy diet options. The 64-ounce container is perfect for rustling up medium and large batches, great for larger families or anyone looking to batch blend. Use the simple dial to easily adjust the speed to match the application. Whether you want your ingredients roughly chopped or blended to the finest puree, you can continuously move the dial as you work. As with all these blenders, cleaning is automatic. All you'll need to do is pop in a drop of soap and some warm water, then the machine will do the rest for you. The blades of the blender run hot, so you can expect warm soup in no more than 5 or 6 minutes. You'll also benefit from a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system, so there's no danger of your blender overheating. If you're looking for ease of use married to enviable build quality and impeccable brand heritage, the Vitamix A5200 is well worth popping on your shortlist. If you're in any element of doubt, the class-leading 7-year warranty should seal the deal. Pros: powerful and durable. Automatic shut-off function. Simple and efficient. 10-speed control. User-friendly. Cons: rather tall. Requires hand washing. Number 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix A350 model is definitely with excellent performance, though it seems costly for what you're getting. Judging from the simple design, it is a good choice for those who want to enjoy restaurant-quality smoothies at home. All Vitamix modes are solid all-rounder blenders that always deliver wonderful results, and the one in this deal is not an exception. This blender looks pretty at all angles. It's one of the best blenders on the market right now that can be used for commercial purposes, from making smoothies to frozen margaritas, thanks to its powerful motor base and a 64-ounce wet blades container. If the included new container, which combines a measuring cup and a transparent lid so that you can view your blends from the top, seems too large for your small family, there are additional containers so that you will have alternative options. With the self-detect technology, the blender can automatically detect which containers, new container versions, are attached to it. This means a variety of cups, bowls, and containers from Ascent series containers, allowing for smaller batches such as salsa or smooth creamy baby food, can be compatible with this machine base. You might also enjoy the on-screen display for the presets showing blending speed and blending time. It has a touchscreen to operate 5 pre-programmed settings: smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, and the butter-smooth rotary dial featuring 19 speeds to give users more precise controls. It also has a precise programmable timer allowing you to customize your blending time. This means you can control the machine manually and digitally. Pros: high capacity. 10 years warranty. Self-detect technology. 5 pre-programmed settings. Intelligent touch interface. Cons: expensive. The blender's lid is difficult to clean. Number 3. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. The Vitamix Professional 750 is the most feature-rich classic, analog, model before Vitamix began offering Smart System and #40, digital and #41 models, and it's super reliable, featuring a 2 HP motor, low-profile 64-ounce container, 5 program presets, nice colors, and a great price. The comfort and classic feel of the tactile switch and dial with the updated, modern look of the next generation G series. The Vitamix 750 includes well-loved features, 5 preset programs: smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, puree, and self-clean. For walk-away convenience, control your blend with 10 variable speeds, a pulse and on-off switch. Considered to be one of the best Vitamix blenders, it comes standard with the low-profile 64-ounce container for medium and large-sized blends, which means more accommodating dimensions for counter/storage, but may need to purchase an additional container for small blends. What we love about it: the professional Vitamix 750, certified reconditioned, is the best overall, in mine and many other Vitamix aficionados I've talked to, in terms of features offered, design, performance, reliability, and even colors. It's the Vitamix that sits on my kitchen counter, despite having all of them, that I use for testing and sharing my daily blends on social media. Pros: available in 4 colors. It's ideal for medium to large batches. Has 5 pre-programmed settings. Fits under most kitchen cabinets. Pulse feature. Container is dishwasher safe. 7-year warranty and 5-year warranty. Cons: need additional containers for small blends. Number 4. Vitamix 7500 Blender Professional Grade. If you're tempted by the 10 adjustable speeds of the Pro 750, but prefer to spend a little less, the Vitamix 7500 is a great option. Really, the only difference between the two is that the 7500 lacks the pre-programmed options, like smoothies, soups, or self-cleaning, but many Amazon reviewers favor the level of control, with more than 700 of them rating the Vitamix 7500 5 stars. Wanting to get into a blender with full control over the whole process, I opted for a Vitamix that had no built-in programs. A reviewer wrote, "I saw no need for that level of automation over a process that would not last that long start to finish." As a result of several YouTube videos, we make a glorious green smoothie every morning and love it. We feel very good about what we are doing and the nutrition we are consuming, especially the added fiber from natural sources. The blender performs perfectly without a flaw, and the power is nothing short of amazing. Plus, the 7500 boasts that incredible Vitamix power. We have searched as a family long and wide for good quality grinders of rice flour to make the South Indian delicacy, dosas, said a user. Grinders can be huge and don't always work, so we resort to trying different blenders and other techniques. This is one of the first blenders to have done the job right. It's powerful and easy to use. Things we like: laser-cut stainless steel blades. Blade friction heating. Vibrant red colorway. Things we dislike: not the most versatile blender. Number 5. Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Ascent series is Vitamix's line of smart blenders, all boasting a new and upgraded 2 HP motor, and featuring nifty features to elevate this range above the average blender you encounter in the home kitchen. You can use this blender with the manual pulse and variable speed to easily manipulate the pace of blending to the ingredients. This allows you to take full control and is perfect if you're experienced using a blender. For anyone with less chops in the kitchen, you can use this blender in combination with the brand's app to access 17 pre-programmed settings. You'll also have access to over 500 recipes, meaning there's no excuse not to get your recommended fruit and veggie intake each day. The digital timer baked in takes the guesswork out of blending and allows you to more easily dial in your preferences for seamless operation. The 64-ounce container is low-slung and perfect for allowing you to blend larger batches for the whole family. The blender is also compatible with a variety of container sizes to suit. If you're looking to invest in a blender that will give you years of faithful service instead of coming apart or burning out after a season, you should give serious consideration to a Vitamix Ascent. Things we like: 17 programs available in-app. Integrated wireless functionality. Large low-profile container. Things we dislike: gets bogged down with frozen fruit. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.